After holding mega rallies in Bhopal, Trichy and Rewari, stage is all set for Narendra Modi to hold the rally in the national capital post his anointment as the BJP's prime ministerial nominee. And with Modi's mega rally coming just months ahead of assembly elections in the city, questions are raised whether Modi's magic will work on Sheila Dikshit's turf. Here's a report.
After mega rallies in Bhopal, Trichy and Rewari, post his anointment as BJP's prime ministerial candidate, Narendra Modi is now set to address voters on Sheila Dikshit's turf.
There's a huge stage where all the Delhi BJP round the clock to make sure that this particular rally that will be held after several rallies that Narendra Modi has held, whether it was the Trichy rally or for that matter the one that was held one day later in Rewari, trying to make it one of those successful rallies for Narendra Modi. The big question, and very interestingly, we'll have to wait and watch what Narendra Modi has to say to the people of Delhi.
Ahead of the mega rally, the BJP state machinery has gone on overdrive with preparations, with diplomats of 35 foreign missions likely to attend the event.
काडर में बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है, लोगों में बहुत उत्साह है। मोदी जी एक ऐसे युग पुरुष के रूप में, एक विकास पुरुष के रूप में उभरे हैं कि आज पब्लिक उनसे कनेक्ट करना चाहती है, लोग जुड़ना चाहते हैं, एक झलक पाना चाहते हैं।
10 entry points at this particular area. Remember, as the BJP Delhi unit has been stating, this park has the capacity to hold between 2 and 3 lakh people, and that's exactly what the BJP has been expecting. That's the number of people they're expecting. Apart from that, the Delhi police personnel and other forces have been deployed. Over 350 is what we're hearing the number, to make sure that no untoward incident happens.
As Modi gets set to address his first rally in the national capital, will the BJP poster boys factor work on Sheila Dikshit's turf and translate into votes?